What's up, guys? I want to show you my favorite indicators that I use, which are the MACD histogram, the volume average, and the moving average. So with the volume average, this tells us how many people are trading within a specific time period. And the MACD histogram is basically a trend following indicator that shows you who has the overall strength of a specific time period, such as the bulls or the bears, right? The buyers or the sellers. So let's take a look at the chart. You see right over here, once price starts dipping off in the beginning of the day, you see how there's a lot of bearish volume here that's breaking out above that 25-day moving average. That 25-day average. So this line right here that you see just flowing through the candles, that's the average volume. You can see price is breaking out above average volume in the past 25 days, as you see over here. So as we have the sellers kicking in right here, the bearish volume, boom, we hit our dip. Now you can see the bulls start stepping in, driving up price, right? Look, we have bullish volume kicking in. We have a little bearish trying to push it down, but for the most part, we have the bulls pushing price up. But let's look at what happens to the histogram as price moves up, which is the trend following system, right? So each tick up and a dark green bar means that the bulls have the most strength right now, right? Like that's the best they can be, just growing and growing and growing and growing and growing. They're getting to their peak. They peak out right here. If we can match it up with price, we can see now the next candle over down here is a light green candle that's ticking down. So as you see they start to tick down, what happens to price? It's not moving up as fast anymore, right? It's consolidating over, but it's hugging this moving average, right? See how price hugs the moving average as well? Moving averages act as support. But let's get back to the MACD histogram. So as price dies off, you can kind of see, let me put on this trend line. See how price is moving at a downward angle, right? It's like a downtrend. That means that the bulls are still there, the buyers are still there, but they're losing their strength to the bears. So look, the next two candles on the MACD histogram, boom, nice dark one, price shoots up, bounces off of that moving average support. Then the next one, they continue to push the price up a little bit, then it comes down. Now you can see they're dying off again, losing their steam. What happens? Boom, price hooks down. Then look, we're starting to move up now. So the bears are starting to lose their steam, right? We're almost coming back to green. Then what happens? Boom, we make it a top, right? The bulls are trying to take control. Then as we got to here, it was a fight between the two. If we scroll it, maybe we'll see a little bit. Oh, yep, see right there. Look, so the bulls were trying to take over, but they didn't have enough strength. And look, there's a lot of bearish volume as well. All red. Boom, price fell off. And look what happens to the MACD. Starting to pull back up, right? Look, if I draw a trend line, it's moving up. And we have bullish volume kicking in. Price is starting to move up. So I'm going to be doing a whole nother detailed video on moving averages, volume averages, MACD histogram, and how you can combine them together into a system that you can be extremely profitable in if you implement the right risk management and follow the rules. Hope you guys liked the video. Take care. Have a great trading week.